the error that I'm encountering is the fact that I forgot my password. It's not. I've written it in caps, so the AI knows I'm getting angry. I'm clicking it and it's not opening. You know, before recording this video, I was so confident. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do a challenge. I'll let it be real. You know, if I'm facing any challenges, like I'm going to be honest about it. And here we are on the password. In this video, I want us to do one of the TryHackMe challenges. But before we do that, there's something I want to try out. And I feel like a lot of people would find this video helpful because when you're using platforms like TryHackMe, they usually have an attack box inside the website, meaning you can use the Kali Linux or the operating systems, whatever, for free. You know, you don't need to set up anything. You don't need to do anything. Like, you just start the challenge immediately. But the only catch is that you're only allowed 1 hour on the free version. And I don't want to be cut off from the challenge after only 1 hour. Like, I want to spend as much time as I possibly can until I solve some of the challenges. So in this video, we're going to try and connect TryHackMe's VPN to our own virtual machine so that we can use it for a longer period of time. Hopefully, I've made that a little bit clear and maybe we can start. So I'm going to start by searching TryHackMe. And for me to be able to use my own Kali Linux instead of theirs, I'm going to remove dashboard and just write access. And it's going to take me to access via OpenVPN Advanced. Okay, so this is a really long form version, and I just want it to be very real. There are going to be things that I won't understand, and I'm going to use AI to assist me with that. This is also a huge learning curve for me. So I can see they have 2 VPNs. There's Squawka VPN and there's OpenVPN. So I don't know what this is. I've never heard of it before. So I'm going to do OpenVPN because this is what I know. I'm going to go to the setup guide, click the download, click this. I did download it already. It's already in my folders and files. And I'm going to be honest with you. After downloading this, I got stuck. Like, I not even got stuck. Like, I'm still stuck. So where I'm going to get stuck, I'm literally, honestly, just going to pull up my AI tool over here. Maybe I'll use Claude. You know, nowadays, everybody is in love with Claude. I personally love DeepSeek. So let me be clear with the AI. I'm trying to install OpenVPN so I can use, so I can do a TryHackMe challenge without the 1 hour restriction. What do I do after downloading the OpenVPN? Okay, after downloading your here's what you do. Okay, now this is where I am getting a challenge. You see, they're saying .ovpn, but this is .msi. So I've downloaded .msi, not .ovpn. Okay, let's see what it says. You know, I don't understand why people are so against using AI to kind of like understand. I understand like you should learn the basics and don't outsource your entire thinking to it, but it's not that bad. Here's what you do: run the installer, double click. You know, that's literally what I did. Okay, so I'm just gonna click continue. I'm telling you, the backend, like actually trying to figure out some of these things, it's a bit hard. I'm not gonna lie. I don't understand. I'm clicking it. I'm like, I've written it in caps so the AI knows I'm getting angry. I'm clicking it and it's not opening. Download the configuration file is a different step, I am assuming. Download configuration file. Oh my god, yeah, I was okay. Now that makes sense. Okay, so I was downloading only the OpenVPN client, but you also have to come down here and install the configuration file. Perfect. Okay, now I have the .msi file and the what's it called? OVPN. Now what? Okay, connect to TryHackMe through OpenVPN. In the bottom right of your screen, on the taskbar, click the icon that looks like an up. What? Okay, got it. There should be an icon within the new window that looks like a monitor with a plug. Right click it. Okay. Oh yeah, got it. This is where you will manage your OpenVPN connections. Yeah. Next, hover over import, select import files, and navigate to your downloaded. Okay. So I click that. And then, okay. Import file, navigate to my what? To your downloaded configuration file. Okay. Downloads. Next, hover over import, select finally right click on the again, select connect and wait for it to notify you that you have been connected. Okay. Hover over. Is that okay? Again, select connect. Okay. Username. Do I even remember? There is literally nothing more embarrassing than forgetting your own password. This is like, and you know what even makes it worse? Like, what makes this whole thing worse is the error that I'm encountering. Like, the first problem is the fact that I forgot my password. It's not even the challenge in itself. You know, before recording this video, I was so confident. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do a challenge. I'll let it be real. You know, if I'm facing any challenges, like I'm going to be honest about it. And here we are on the password. Have you guys seen that meme for?
But your life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bruh. We gonna keep this? Nigga. I can't even reach it, bro. This is...
You know what I'm gonna do? I think because I reset the password, it kind of like the .ovpn and the .msi that I downloaded off TryHackMe were using the old password I had. So let me just try and delete everything and start from scratch. Okay, here we are, starting from scratch. OpenVPN, setup guide, starting with number 1, download. Come here, download the MSI. Okay, that's downloading. Come here, go down. What's the difference between room and room with network? Network rooms contain dedicated networks which require a separate VPN profile to normal rooms. Choose the network you want to access and download its VPN. Okay, so I'm not understanding what that means. I think this is the best part now to ask AI. I'm trying to download the .o VPN and it's giving me two options. Option 1, room, and 2, room with network. What's the difference? In most VPN configurations, like this blah blah blah, routes only use the traffic needed to access resources within the specific network. Goes through your normal connection, not through the VPN. Called split tunneling. Okay. Choose room if you just need access to local resources and want to keep using your normal internet speed. If you want your routed through that network useful for privacy, or if the local resource. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go with the room for now, but I'm guessing later down the road when we do more challenges, I would probably download the room with network. But for now, let me just download this. Okay, we got it. Now we open. Okay, this is taking forever. And then it usually stops right when it's just about to finish. Imagine, we're already 20, like almost 20 minutes into the video, and I haven't even, like, I'm still stuck on trying to open the VPN. Guys, wish me luck. But if you're still watching, I'm happy you're still here. Why? It's not working. Like literally. The video is taking a little bit long, so I'm just gonna stop here. This will be part 1 of me trying to figure out how to do the TryHackMe with no time limit. And in the next video, it will be part 2, where I will probably have solved the entire challenge that I'm currently facing, and hope to see you in the next one.